What if I told you that being lazy is actually your greatest strength in 2026? Welcome to today's Explainer, everyone. Today, we are breaking down a radically different approach to wealth building. We're calling it the lazy blueprint to financial freedom.
I know. It sounds totally counterintuitive, right? Like society has constantly conditioned us to view laziness as this massive character flaw. But as we unpack this blueprint today, you'll see exactly why leaning into your inner lazy might actually be your ultimate superpower in today's economy.
Because here's the thing. While everyone else is, stuck in morning traffic or just grinding away at a desk for 8 hours, there's this entirely new generation of earners who are quietly making thousands of dollars directly from their couches. It's a complete paradigm shift.
So here is our game plan for today. We're going to cover 1. The efficiency mindset, 2. The top lazy income streams, 3. A zero-effort startup plan, and 4. Earning smart, not hard.
Let's jump right into Section 1, the efficiency mindset.
Listen, the world's wealthiest people, they are definitely not the hardest workers in the room. Actually, scratch that. They are just the smartest delegators. Being a lazy earner doesn't mean you just avoid work so you can binge watch TV all day. It's about focusing your energy on building systems that literally work while you sleep. It requires a fundamental shift in how you view income. Instead of that old-school trap of trading your precious time for money, we are talking about trading assets for money. You build or acquire an asset just once, and it pays you on repeat. That is the absolute secret sauce right there.
Moving right along to Section 2, the top lazy income streams.
So what are the actual mechanics here? Well, there are 3 main streams you can tap into right now: AI-driven content, digital products, and automated affiliate marketing. Let's break these down.
First up is AI-driven content. Now, if you hate the idea of being on camera, you are going to love this. You don't need to show your face or even pick up a camera. Tools like ChatGPT and video automation software can literally run entire YouTube channels for you. You just provide the idea, and the AI provides the profit.
Next, we've got digital products. Think about this. You create a helpful template, an ebook, or a checklist just one single time. Just once. And then you sell it 1,000,000 times. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad handle the delivery and the payments while you literally stay in bed. No shipping boxes, no customer service desk, just pure digital leverage.
And the third stream is automated affiliate marketing. By strategically placing the right links in the right places, you earn commissions on products you don't even own. Once you get that digital traffic flowing to those links, those checks just keep coming in on autopilot.
All right, Section 3, getting started with a zero-effort startup plan.
Okay, you want to know the absolute hardest part of this entire blueprint? It is getting through the first 10 minutes. Seriously, just 10 minutes. That initial friction of just starting is what stops like 99% of people. Push through that and everything changes.
Here is exactly how you spend those 10 minutes. Step 1, set up your automation tools today. Step 2, pick your niche. And Step 3, step back and let the digital ecosystem do all the heavy lifting.
Because to pull this off, you don't need some massive investment, a stressful commute, or a boss breathing down your neck. You just need a Wi-Fi connection and a solid plan. That is the whole shebang.
Which brings us to our final section, earning smart, not hard. The entire philosophy basically boils down to this: stop working hard and start earning smart. We've got to stop measuring our worth by how many hours we sweat at a desk and start measuring success by the efficiency of our automated systems. It is time to leverage technology to buy back your time. So I'll leave you with this ultimate question. Are you ready to turn your laziness into a paycheck? If you want to stop working hard and start earning smart, hit that subscribe button and join the Wealth Wisdom community. The tools are out there. Your couch is waiting, and honestly, so is your first $1,000. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.